So I was just editing a video showing that it would fail to move the file over to the printer. And this is probably about 30 minutes later. I'm just sitting here editing the video. I was out of the room, to be clear. I'd left it recording while I went and took care of other stuff in the house. I come back, it had been recording for, I want to say 30 minutes, but literally less than 3 minutes into the video, when I walked away, it had failed to send the file to the printer. So I'm sitting here for another 10 minutes, and so I'm giving it about 30 minutes-ish, right? I'm rambling, excuse me, I'm a little frustrated here. I've been trying to get this thing to print for several hours now. And just out of the blue, it's now downloading the file to the P1P. I'm not sure what's going on here. Definitely gonna have to figure out how to make a ticket. I'm gonna edit this all together and we'll go from there. I'll record more and update if possible. Also, that keeps happening with the camera. Just loading failed over and over again. Sorry for the dirty screen. Sorry for also recording a screen with my phone. That's weird. Yeah, it just... the whole thing is being weird. In fact, let's hop over to the printer and see if it's actually downloading on that end and it's not just saying this here. Let's see. Sure enough, it is actually downloading now. Not sure what's going on here. I'll come back and update if it does start printing. It started printing. Not exactly sure what's going on. Like I said, I tried starting this print several times and it kept failing over and over again, as the short video at the beginning will show. If anything else happens, I will update y'all. And we're still going strong. I've got it on ludicrous mode right now, since I've got the auxiliary fan put in. So far I haven't seen a loss in quality at all. Well, the print finished and it came out pretty good. I'm gonna go start another one, hopefully. If it happens again, I will let y'all know. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you later.